right, let's begin and look at this big problem, number 11. It's really not that bad if you think about it. Take it in stages, okay? So we're going to need to pull up our calculator to do a few calculations here. All right, so I've got the house that I'm buying for $349,000, right? And I'm able to make a 5% down. So really, what I'm actually borrowing is 95%, so 0.95 times the 349,000. Okay, so I'm borrowing 331,550. Okay, so the loan is for 331,550,000. So let's just execute our loan program here. Okay. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to grab this from where I was previously executing it. And I'm borrowing $331,550, okay, at a rate of 5% for okay, you're able to make a down payment of 5.5%. All right, I'll have to go back and change this as 5.5%, so it'll be slightly different. Okay, we run it again. 30 years. Okay, so let's do a clear on that and do this again at the 5.5%. So again, it's $331,550 that I'm borrowing at a rate of 0.055 for 30 years. Okay, my monthly payment, my monthly mortgage payment is $1,882.50. Okay, so it's $1,882.50, right? Okay, so property taxes are $7,500. I'm going to split that up over the year, so it's $7,500 divided by 12. So I'm going to have to start adding these figures up. 18, okay, so it comes to $7,500 divided by 12. 7,500 divided by 12 monthly payments, so that's going to be $625 there. So that's another $625 a month in expenses. Okay, now we're looking at the car. Car is $32,500. Okay, less $6,000 in trade-in. Okay, so you got, so when you get that, comes off the price of the car. All right, so it's $26,500, right? So $26,500 now is going to be what you're paying for the car. All right, now you apply the taxes. So now the actual cost of the car is going to be 1.07 times that. And then we'll execute this again. That's the 7%. That'll give us that figure, which we're going to put into our loan application at 7.25 for 5 years. So let's check that out. Okay, so that's going to be 26,500 is what we're going to be charged tax on. 26,500 times 1.07. All right, so the loan amount is 28,355. Let's write that. 28,355. Okay, and that's it. So let's execute our program there. Go back and grab the loan program. Okay, so the loan is again at 28,355. 28,355. Okay, at a rate of 7.25, 0.0725, okay, for 5 years. All right, monthly payments $564.81. Okay, all right, $564.81. All right, now let's see. So we should start tallying up our expenses, okay? Because I think everything else can just be added in. Okay, so let's see. We've got the 1882.50 plus the 6 1/4 on the 6 1/4 there, plus the 564.81. Yep, we did back 564.81. And I think we can just start tallying things from here. Let's see. Let's bring this down up to 3,000. Okay. So let's see what else we have to add into our expenses here. All right. So plus, what are our expenses? Plus, what do we got? Auto insurance, another $1.50, 150. Plus, it says other thing, homeowners insurance is 125. Plus the utilities, okay, is 250. All right, and I think we counted for all expenses. All right, so total monthly expenses is 3,600, let's say, 3,597. All right, expenses. $35.97. I think that's what we said, right? $35.97 per month. Okay, so what are you making? You're making 65 a year. No, you're not. You're losing 18% of that to taxes, 65,000. Okay, so what you're actually making is 82% of that. So you're actually making 53,000. That's a year divided by 12. So you're making $4,441 a month. So your pay is $4,441 a month. So you do have a difference. So you will have a little money to spend. Of course, I'm sure I've not covered all your expenses. So take away that $35.97. And you have, $844 left, which again, we haven't included your cell phone bill, okay, probably another 100 a month at least, okay. We haven't even put food on the table, so a lot of other expenses that count for there. Okay, there you have it.